Hello, my name is Liam and welcome back my channel. Sa iPad nag-video na din ako. Say hi to my mother who is pretty. And my brother is playing Dude's Battleground in Roblox.
Show it how many kills na po yung sa
18.
O yan ang problema nyo.
Kunin yung painting.
Problema nyo ano? Saan dyan?
That's Dude's Battleground.
O yun to. Saan dyan?
yung white box, ibaba siya
Ito.
Yun lang yung una.
Sabay.
Ito?
Oo, kasi ang kailangan yung brown at saka pink.
Saan ba't ang bigat?
Pupunta ka sa school,
O,
kunin mo na kaya yung, gamitin mo yung kotse, tapos kunin natin yung books.
pwede.
Painting na tayo. Malapit na tayo mag-painting. Hintay lang natin yung painting.
Ay, gagi!
Mabigat nga kasi. Bismillah.
Kunin mo tong ano nasa iba.
Bismillah.
Tapos yung brown.
Kilala niyo si Elias.
Ano pa?
Asan ba daw nakalagay yan?
Hmm?
Ito ba yon?
Hindi yan.
Sa lagayan daw ng biscuit na fita.
Tanggal na wala ng pita
Yung
dyan
brown
eh.
na box, yan. Pila na box daw eh.
Daddy, saan ka punta?
Hatid si Alex. Leng,
Yan tanga, yan isa pa.
Today I'm chewing bubble gum.
kontragis kayo. Uy,
La.
kasi naman kung ano-ano nandito.
Bigat din.
Hintayin lang natin yung painting. My mother is here. Who is ready?
Pita ba to? Ito ba yun?
Diyan yan.
Ah, tayo naman yung tabuan ng ano. Ito, sige na, akin na. Choo! Balik mo na to, Ren.
Ay, takot na ako.
Balik na ulit ko.
Kita agad, sana yung box na brown lang muna.
So,
Oh, ay nako, hindi ko to kaya.
asa na yung...
Hawakan mo muna yung red. Hawakan mo muna. Alisin mo muna yun.
Napakita ko lang sa kanila yung mga painting.
Kanino?
Sa YouTube niya.
Kanino mo papakita? May multo ba dyan?
Oo, may multo.
Ah, sige,
This is color white
white.
painting. This is
Uy, asan na yung shoes?
color red
Ano, sa alis
painting.
na?
10:30.
This is orange painting. This is yellow painting.
Mama, saan tayo punta?
This is blue
Kunin ko
painting.
yung books nyo.
Tama ko. This
Okay.
is purple painting. And this is, what is this?
Tama na, enough
Rose
na.
painting. Ano pa yung mga sinabi ko? We have brown paintings.
Brown color. What's that? Acrylic paint?
Acrylic paint. Yeah.
be so easy.
Ano pa? Ito. Ano
Look,
pa
I
na?
can reach.
This is light
I can reach.
portrait
Do you see that? You're gonna
tone
flip it to the
coloring.
And then we're gonna go up.
What's this? This is black.
Obviously.
What's this? Black. And finally, this is color gray. Gray. And this is our painting. Ano to? Brushes.
Paintbrush.
We have a type of any paintbrush. We have this big. This is curved. This is the smaller. Okay? Are you ready to see us paint? And this is the scooper of our painting. Maasan yung lagayan ng painting namin? Ay, ito pa.
The palette. You call that one palette.
This is palette. We have 2 palettes.
Why you have to?
And also we have green. We have gold. We have pink. We have yellow orchid. And yun lang. So, ire-ready ko na yung mga paintings namin. Ready ko na. I-ready ko na, ma.
Ito, sige. Tapos I'm gonna go to school ha, para kunin yung ano nyo.
Okay.
No?
So, we need some black first. Okay? I'm going to color this. How to close this? Yeah. There. Where's the black? Oh, it's right here. We need some black. Oh, so hard. Ooh, it's open.
Seal mo ng properly.
Wow. Baka ma-stained ako. And there you go. We have a black. Here's the cover. Ma, tissue ma. Baka maghalo.
Alin po?
Yung painting. Oh,
Ano ginawa mo?
nag-ready na ka. Tissue. Thank you.
Huwag dyan sa bed kasi baka mapunta sa bed. Lagay mo lang sa floor.
Ew.
Madami yung palette mo, baby. Konti-konti lang. Balik mo yung iba. One scoop, hindi yan ganyan na scoop, baby. Wait, I'm gonna show you how. This is too much.
My hands is dirty. OMG. My hands really get dirty. Ew.
You just have to use very, very small amount of this color kasi it's super madami.
We need some. What's this? Orange.
And be careful ha sa damit mo ha.
Can you open this, please?
Yan, ganito
This
lang
is
yan.
not open.
Ganito, yung mga kalat mo, ilagay mo dito.
Open it like. Oh, okay, now I get.
Get it? This is open already. Just have to scoop a little bit like this and put it on this side. Kasi you will not use this one naman. That's it lang.
And then more. I will use that pa eh.
Eh di, kuha ka na lang when you're about to use this one again.
Tanggalin ko ma.
Like this one.
The
Ito,
black
this one.
paint is super black pea. Ew.
Oh, but think of your
Next, we will have.
design first.
Yeah, I'm thinking. Where's color brown?
Zach, ha? Be careful on the floor, Zach. Yeah.
This is brown. Burnt umber na lang.
Be careful with your clothes. Okay?
Okay.
I have to na talaga. What did you eat?
Yan. Ba't color mo yan?
Oh, tama na yan.
Dapat akong matapos.
Tapos saan?
Akit ako bigyan. Next, we will have a little bit of
Tama na.
black. Ay,
Brown.
brown.
O, bitawan mo muna yung hawak mo para ma-spread mo ng maayos. Para hindi matapon yung mga colors.
We have a black. Baka kasi hindi ko maubos kaya onti na lang yung nilagay ko.
Masayang.
Put over, yeah, masayang. And of course, color. Ano pa yung mga, ano pang color? Yellow! Of course, yellow, ha?
Ano may drawing ko? Ayan, okay.
Rainbow.
Teka lang ha.
Pagkatapos ko dito, huwag ka muna mag-painting, Bella, ha?
Bubble gum. Wala.
Bubblegum daw, ma.
Kain muna.
Next, what else? Yellow! I forgot about
Yellow.
yellow.
Doon kayo sa terrace para hindi mapunta dito sa bed yung mga paints.
Okay. My hand is super dirty. This is so yellowy. Like my
Doon na kayo sa labas, baby. Kasi maglalaro na kayo dito ni Bella. Gulo na dito, baby.
yan. Okay na yung
Masama ako.
yellow ko.
Hindi ka pa nagbibihis eh. Oo, careful.
Yeah, mag-painting ka lang dyan.
Kasama ko si Bella.
Dadaling ko na yung phone, baby. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye! Bye! See you next time!